In this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy a gift on Etsy using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Etsy allows you to send gifts directly to someone with options like hiding prices, adding a message, and even gift wrapping if the seller offers it. Now, if you want to buy a gift on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by opening the Etsy app or website and searching for the item you want to gift. Browse through listings and choose a product that fits your needs. Next, check the product details. Look for options like mark as gift or gift wrapping availability if you want a more personalized experience. After that, click Add to Cart and review the product details before proceeding. Now, open your cart and check the option that says, "This order is a gift." Once enabled, you'll see gift options. You can hide the price from the recipient, add a personal message, and select gift wrapping if the seller provides it. Then, proceed to checkout and enter the recipient's shipping address. Make sure all details like name, address, and postal code are correct. Finally, complete your payment to place the order. That's it. Buying a gift on Etsy is simple and lets you send items directly to someone with a personal touch without revealing the price.